Hey, Mike from CoachMikeMcDonald.com here. In today's video, I'll be diving into how you can maximize results from your paid ads for your cleaning business and understanding the true value of a customer. So let's get into it. Have you ever wondered how to calculate the true value of your cleaning leads? Well, there's a big difference between the cost of acquisition and the lifetime value of your cleaning leads and the cost of the lead itself. You see, for example, let's say it costs you $50 to get a lead for a $150 cleaning job. It might seem like you're spending a lot to get that single lead, but the reality is when you look at the lifetime value of these leads, it's much more valuable than that initial $150. So let's say, for example, that cleaning lead turns into a bi-weekly cleaning customer that hires you every 2 weeks for $150 of cleaning. All of a sudden, this new customer turns into over $3,500 of value for every single year that they stay as your customer. So again, that $50 lead now just turned into over $3,500 in value. And if you could continue to do that on repeat forever, it's almost like printing free money. And that's where a lot of cleaning business owners struggle, is that they can't get past that initial hurdle of spending that money to acquire these leads, when the reality is that these leads become incredibly profitable when you start converting them into long-term recurring revenue and repeat customers. And so the most successful companies that I've worked with understand the numbers, they understand the cost of acquisition and the lifetime value of their customers, and they're willing to spend what it takes to acquire them because they know in the long term they're really going to come out ahead. So for example, maybe you only break even on that first cleaning, but the majority of customers end up staying with you for 2 years or more. That means after the first initial cleaning, that's nearly 2 years of pure profit. And so again, really understand this concept, as it can help you scale and grow your cleaning business more effectively. So again, stop looking at your marketing budget as an expense. Instead, look at it as an asset that can provide long-term stability and returns for your business. And if you did need more high-quality cleaning leads for your cleaning business, definitely consider becoming a partner of ours, where we've actually put together a system to help cleaning business owners generate high-quality cleaning leads for their business on autopilot. So if you did want to learn more about that and becoming an exclusive partner of ours, click on the link in the description below to do so. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to get the latest updates of new videos we put out. But once again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.